your music now, whether it is chill, lounge, rock, whatever you need to listen to in the background while I guide you through these warm-up exercises. You may want to ask yourself, how am I doing today? How's my energy? Is it like, am I really like excited and I need to like do Zen stuff, or am I more Zen / sleepy and I need to wake up? And then also have in mind where your character, the starting point of your character. I think it's important that as an actor we're in a Zen-centered space so that we're more aware of our surroundings, what's going on, what's the balancing point. You know, if you have a cast, you know, you have to have that connection with all of the cast. So as a basic starting point, we're going to warm up from the tip of the toe to the top of the head. So I know this part might be, oh, check out my superhero socks that my cousin gave me. I know some people might be disgusted by this, but it's your own feet, so grow up. So we're just gonna start massaging the ball of the foot and get really deep into the foot itself. It's a great way of waking up and being connected with the floor, whatever you're doing. And the toes as well, make sure there's flexibility. We know we have to be awake, every single cell of our bodies. Go ahead and then thread your fingers through your toes. And this is the fun part / that I find it fun, and a lot of people are like, what are you doing? So just shake your foot. This releases the tension from your extremities, and it's just a really good waking up point. I'm just gonna do one side of the body, so if not the video might be too long. And you know what to do. You literally just repeat what you've done on one side. Oh, this feels so good. You know, you can put some pressure. You know, there's some really special pressure points here that release so much tension. That's so good. Yeah. Okay. Now that we've looked at the foot, we're just gonna do 8 circles this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. And then the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lovely. Then we're going to do the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we go into the hip. So you can, for this one, you can either grab onto something or engage your core muscles and have a balancing act sort of, and you're just going to do a figure of 8 like that. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the other way around. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here you might also want to do just like sort of a kick on either side. It's about you being connected with your body. So now we're in sort of the hip area. So yeah, just we're gonna go really to the far edge. Imagine you're in a barrel and you sort of have a wiping cloth on your hip area, and you're trying to scrub the inner side or wipe the inner side of the barrel. And so you're trying to get to that, you know, dirty spot inside the barrel. You can go one way or the other. Lovely. Then we go to the midsection, and we're just going to try. As I said, I'm no expert in this. I'm just a trained actor that has done this for 3 years, and I'm super happy to keep on adding more exercises. Sorry, I'm genuinely, this is the first time I'm doing this today, so I'm really like, you know, really, once you get into doing this, you'll find the joy of being in every part of your body and waking up the whole body as an instrument, because it's your instrument. Okay, now the chest area. So we can go front, back, side, side, and then circle, yeah, and the other way. Ta-da, ta-da, and ta-da. And now you start feeling that it's your shoulders that need to, you know, we have so much tension on our shoulders. Sorry, I'm trying to like go down so I fit on the screen. But basically, what we can do is this. I like doing from big to small. I'll do this, okay, so that I fit. But we're just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then forward 1, 2, 3, 4, and then like this, elbows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, just the shoulders. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lovely. Then we're in the head section. So we just want to imagine that we're holding the hand of a 4-year-old kid that is trying to pull away, or a puppy, or a, you know, something that's, this arm is extending and you're pulling to the other side with your right hand side, with your right hand for this one. For you guys might be the left, I don't know if it flips around. But yeah, we're focusing on this area, on relaxing this area. There we go. You're gonna do the same on the other side. I know I said I want to repeat, but you can go down. Make sure you're always kind of, this is a key thing, just you know, you're having a straight back is not like being like this. But obviously you don't want to be like this because you're not engaged, you're not awake, you're not on it. And also if you're naturally like a person that sometimes slouches, which sometimes I can do, it's that's not your character. So don't imbue all of your characters with the same slouching, like I don't care sort of personality. Be open. Your character might as well be slouched or really up or just like sideways or a bit wonky, like, you know. Anyway, that's a whole different subject. But I just wanted to check with you guys that a good position for alignment is imagining that you have a string that pulls up from the top of your head and it's connected through your spine up to the bottom, and it's like the bottom of your spine. So it just pulls you up and you achieve this sort of alignment. Just feel this lovely tension that's pulling you upwards. So just having that consciousness. But yeah, moving, we were doing the head. So yeah, we can do circles. Make sure to not like push your head back too much because that might scrunch the vertebrae at the back and you don't want to do that. For reasons that are precisely outside of my understanding at the mo. I haven't researched that yet, but I've been told it's not a good thing to do. Isn't it lovely that once you start warming up your body, you see how everything is connected? Just by doing this, I felt like a stretch in the back as well. Now it's up to, actually, like you can also stretch your hands, obviously, your fingers, elbows, hands. It's up to, like, feel free to really go full out and explore. Another one, really good one. Well, this is a bit more yoga, you know, but you can just, you're sitting this way, this leg here. Do you want to see what I've done? So just this and the other leg on top, and you go with your elbow like this, and you're just stretching your whole back, and you repeat it on the other side. There's so many stretching and waking up like things. I remember this one, which is like the cow and the cat, and the cow and the cat. We have so many warm-up exercises, and it's funny, but I'm warmed up, and then you will find that a bunch of actors are literally just like layering off, or you know what I mean. A really good one. We haven't really done the warming up of the vocalization, so I'm gonna pause the cat and cow for 1 sec. Let's just finish with the muscles in the face. So make sure that your sort of hands are clean, and with the palm of your hand, oh God, we're just gonna go in here, in this area of sort of your cheek, and we're just going to pull down. Really get into it. I know it's gonna hurt. It's actually gonna hurt. It probably hurts. It's awful. But it's because there's so much tension in the. You can do that as many times as you want. And we can just massage either with the fingertips or the palm of your hands, the rest of your muscles in your face. Yeah, feel free to like express all the tension leaving your body, like through sound, through whatever you want it to be. Okay. You guessed it. Now we have to do all the other muscles in your face. So we're going to do a huge face. Actually, this is a really fun one. I say this, bear with me. But it's like we're going to do the lion and the lemon face, okay? So as a lion, you're going to do... So you're going to spread your legs. And by doing like this, you're engaging all of your back muscles, which you need anyway in order to project. And the back is so important because actually the back muscles are your support for when you're, performing. And this, this whole front area needs to be so relaxed and the back so engaged. So that's a wonderful exercise to awaken your back. Oh, this one's a good one as well. Honestly, just take note of everything I'm doing or pause it and explore it yourself, because I don't want to make a huge video because obviously we've been exploring so many exercises throughout 3 years. But this is another good one when you just and you're just like, you can do this throughout your body actually. Slap, 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 and your back. And a mild slap. Because we want self-love.